Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny. Today's video, oh my god, I feel like a booty guru. Like, have my studio lights up in my room. I have like a mirror here. I don't know, I just feel like a booty guru today. I feel like I look like one too, because it's like all like, bam, you know? Like, boom. Taking it back to the olden days. Alright guys, so today's video is a makeup tutorial, kind of like a get ready with me type of situation. I'm not gonna sit here and be like, well, maybe I should. Is it gonna be a makeup tutorial? I don't know. First of all, I'm going to be pinning my hair back because I strained it. So I posted on my Instagram about a week ago of an eyeliner look that I did. And I like did like an inner line as well. And it's just like really bold, intense liner all around my eye. And everyone wanted to see how I did it. I thought, why not just do it for y'all? Like when I wear this, I feel like I'm just like really hot. Like I'm like, yeah, like I'm like a bad bee, like a bad bitch. Like that's how I feel like when I have that done. So we are gonna get right into it. I'm going to maybe zoom in on my face when I start like doing the eyes. I feel like I haven't done this in so long. I'm like, So first off, I'm gonna use the Versali Unicorn Essence Serum. This is a serum enhancing, yeah, skin enhancing antioxidant serum. Love this as a primer. Keeps my skin glowing. It's like really shimmery and pink, you know, just kind of all over the face. Does anybody else's face get super red when they touch it? Like my face, I don't know whether that means it's just really sensitive, but like I have friends that they'll like just rub the crap out of their face and their face stays like the same color. And I'm like, what does that mean? Am I crazy? Am I hot-blooded? Do I have a lot of steam in me? What does that mean? I don't know. If I look down, it's because I have a mirror right in front of me, so like that's how I'm doing my makeup. If y'all saw the setup right now, y'all would be like, good job, Fran, good job. I'm gonna talk, I'm gonna explain each makeup thing, and then when I'm applying it, I'll talk a little bit. I don't know what this video is, to be honest with you. Oh, first of all, for foundation, this has been like my new obsession, guys, for foundation. It is the Dior Air Flash Foundation. It is like the best thing ever. It's like, it's such a light foundation and I love that. So like if I have any impurities like pimples, I like going over that with concealer. But I love how like just very thin and light it lays on my face. And I'm in the shade 2W0. So I'm going out because we are going to be celebrating our friend Nico's birthday. Nico is Emily's brother on the show Party of Five. So if you guys don't know who Emily is, I feel like OGs will know who Emily is. Emily is one of my best friends. I used to live with her. We go way back. She's one of my BFFs. She booked a leading role on a new Freeform show called Party of Five. It comes out January 8th. Go on Freeform and watch it January 8th. Emily's the lead. And Nico's also one of the leads as well. We're celebrating his birthday because his birthday, I believe, is actually Christmas Eve. We rolling with it. I think we're getting a party bus. We're just gonna have a good time, you know? A good old time celebrating his birthday. Guys, LA has gotten so cold, and it's funny because like the rest of the country is getting like a freaking blizzard. I shouldn't be complaining, but LA is so cold. It's like, I get it, like people's like, don't complain, like it's like 50 degrees, 45 degrees, but like 45 degrees here feels like 10, like 20 degrees because we're always in the warmth. So it's like, I'm not used to it anymore. Like I'm originally from Jersey, so trust me, I know what cold is. I would walk from, sorry, this is annoying, one sec. Trust me, I know what cold is. I used to walk. Oh my gosh, my high school was like an outdoor high school. I went to Bridgewater Raritan High School. If y'all know that school, it's like 9 buildings, and to go to each building, you have to go outside. So in the winter time, I kid you not, guys, everyone was like in like scarf, hat, jacket, North Face, other North Face. Like I'm thinking of stuff that everyone was wearing. Uggs, leggings, varsity jackets, like everyone was bundled up. So the senior parking lot is like detached from the school, so it's like a walk. You have to walk from it. And of course, I got one of the furthest spots. It's like a raffle, and I got one of the furthest spots in the senior parking lot because they're all assigned. So my friend would literally come and pick me up and take me to her spot because it was in the front of the parking lot. And my grade had like 700-800 kids. So best believe it was a big parking lot. I remember my school, it was like a blizzard outside and it was midterms, and they made us come in for school. And my car, I literally almost died. I was like, are you kidding me? Dude, like the East Coast, they don't care. Like they're like, come to school, come on. Come on kids, get in. Yeah, it was a great time. I really enjoyed high school. I honestly reminisce on it a lot. Like high school was a time where it sucked, but it also was like, you were like figuring out what you loved, like what you wanted to do. We were becoming, you know, I feel like high school is a place where you really learn who you are, you know? You deal with a lot of challenges, you deal with a lot of things. Turn into an adult in high school. It's just really intense, but I miss it. Like the football games, the pep rallies, basketball games, playing basketball, like running track and stuff, even even though I hated track practice more than anything in the world. It's funny, I literally joined track my freshman year of high school to just stay in shape for basketball. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna join track because I was like, I wanna stay in shape for the season. And I ended up just doing it all 4 years because I just didn't realize that I was quick. So I was like pretty decently good at it, but the practices were hell. I mean, you just ran. That's all practice was running. Who likes to run? No one. The thing is, it's like I enjoyed it, but at the same time, it's like if there's a day that you don't want to run, but you have to go to practice and run, like that's when it sucks. Honestly, it was every day. I hated practice so much. I like running when I want to run. It's like I don't like to do it when I'm forced like that. During spring track, like the beginning of it is like so cold, spring track in the beginning, because you know, winter just ended. The beginning of spring is still like very cold in Jersey. We would be in like sweatshirts, sweatpants, you name it. And then towards the end, you're literally dying of heat. Like I remember just running in spandex shorts and a sports bra, and like I have heat exhaustion. Like it was horrible, but I wouldn't change it for anything else. I'm like here like shitting on track. I'm like, I hated it, but I loved it. No, I really did love it. I loved track so much. You're in high school, if you're in school, join something and make friends. It's always a good time. So for concealer, I use the Tarte Shape Tape in medium to conceal like any extra impurities, imperfections, pimples that are like shown through the foundation. I like to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape in light medium honey for under my bags. So that's what I just did. All right, finished my concealer, so now I'm gonna go in and set my under eye bags and all of my under eye bags, set my under eye concealer and all of my face basically, and I just used the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Honestly, I started using this when I could afford it because I remember everyone always talking about it. Little old Franny didn't have that kind of money. I could barely afford the Airspun powder from Walgreens a couple of years ago. So guys, this isn't like a serious makeup tutorial. Like I don't want y'all to be coming at me like, that's not how you do it. Like that's how I do makeup. So sorry, I'm not James Charles or Jeffree Star. Oh my God, okay, I will say though, I was driving in Hollywood. I think it was a Maserati. I don't even know what kind of car it was. It was a sports car and it was pink, like all of Jeffree Star's cars. I think it was him, and I screamed a little in my car. I was alone though, so it was fine because I was like, oh my God, it's Jeffree Star. So now I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. Mine is really just janky as hell. Like I probably should have asked for one for Christmas, or like the new pan, because these can pop out and you can put new ones in. So I'm just gonna scavenger what I can from both of them. Sorry about that. And then I just use this Morphe M527 brush to contour. I'm like, it's not a makeup tutorial. I'm just like telling you guys what I like to use. I like to use a big fluffy brush like this because it just makes it really light, not harsh at all. Like there's really no harsh lines with this. Like it's just easy to blend into your skin. Because I have so many friends that are always like, Franny, how do you contour? Like I don't know how to contour. Like when I contour, it looks like this or it doesn't look good. And I'm like, guys, honestly, if you have good brushes, like if you feel like your makeup just doesn't come out good, I swear having good brushes is so worth it. Especially something like this. Like this is kind of like, I feel like it's idiot proof because you can't really mess up. Like if you put a little bit on and just keep building it and just lightly just buff it in like this, you will get the result you want. Or like you just practice a couple of times, but it's really idiot proof, I promise. Then I just lightly go on the sides of my nose. I guess this video is more of like what I do when I want to look hot look, I guess. So now I like to bake, give that contour a little more definition, and this is the kind of like the trick. So you kind of can go messy with the brush, but then you go in with just like a flat beauty blender that has a flat tip, like a sharp end. You can get away with just throwing that contour brush around. Now I'm gonna go in with some blush. So I use the Tarte Seduce blush. I've been using this blush for I don't know how long. I've been using it forever now. It's my favorite blush in the world. I just feel like it fits my skin tone really well in the majority of my makeup looks, and I like to wear a lot of blush. So I like to look sun-kissed, like I was in the sun all day. Now I'm putting what did I just say? Now I'm going. I said poing. Oh my God. So now I'm going in with just a regular highlight brush. This is from Morphe. Majority of my brushes are from Morphe. The blush brush was from Morphe. The blush brush was an M403, and then this is a M510 brush. And I'm telling you, Morphe is like really great for brushes, I promise you. I'm using the Becca Champagne Pop, one of my favorite all-time highlights. Now I'm gonna go do my brows. Brows are boring, so I'm gonna just do that real quick and I'll be right back. All right guys, so my brows are not twins, they're sisters. I do my best. They're not even like well plucked right now, so. Okay, so now I guess I'm gonna be going in with the eye makeup. I'll just zoom in for the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is like very, like it's what I normally do, but I'll zoom in anyways. So this is like really close to my face, but I feel like I need to have it really close to my face just so it defeats the whole aspect of the whole like, this is my makeup. Like if it's so far away, I don't know what I'm saying, help me. I promise you, if the makeup looks crazy right now, it gets better, I promise. Okay, so I like to just go in with just like this fluffy brush. Like it's literally the Smashbox, like crease brush, I don't know. But I just go in with like a really translucent light shade just to kind of set the foundation and concealer that's on my eye. I don't use like any like type of eye primer. Primer I use is just like concealer or foundation. Then I go in with just like a light brown. I'm using my Kat Von D palette, giving my like crease depth. I don't like when my eyelid is like plain. I mean, I'll do it sometimes, but I love having just something on my eyelid, whether it's a light brown to just, like I said, give that depth to it. And then I go in with a dark brown, a darker brown, like a shade higher, insert that into my crease. I'm telling you guys, this Kat Von D palette just blends like butter. Kind of blended in some just browns on my face. You know what? I'm actually gonna go in and put a little bit of a like burnt brown in. It's like a really dark, I don't know if you can see, it's like a really dark burgundy brown color. I'm just gonna like put that a little bit in my crease, kind of like all over the lid crease area. I don't know. When I do my own makeup, I literally just like throw it on and just hope for the best. Okay, so did that. Now I'm just gonna buff out this. So now the fun part with the liner. Oh God, this is gonna be interesting doing this. Lord have mercy. A lot of you guys always ask like, how do I do it? Like, how did I get so comfortable doing it? Guys, I've been doing liner on myself since like sophomore year of high school, and it's been like what, 16, 17, and I'm 22, so like 5-6 years. I've used the same liner for all 5-6 years as well. Guys, so just did my normal liner. So now I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do the liner that I did last time. That was my first time ever doing it. I just looked up a photo and kind of just rolled with it. What I want to do though, I think first, is apply just kind of like a black pencil to my waterline. Just like give that dark look. Oh my God, since I've had surgery, my eyes have been like just so sensitive to like dryness and everything. So Q-tips are needed for this process. I don't want to smudge out the liner underneath a little bit. Fun part comes in. Let's try this, baby. Oh, the liner that I use on my top lip, the L'Oreal Linear Intense Carbon Black liner. So this is just like a regular Tarte liner. It's like a felt tip. Let's do this. Okay, I did one side. I need to do the other side now. We're not done yet because I need to like go in and like darken it up around it and stuff. So it's literally just being so precise and making sure that you're using the tippy top of this and like just like doing like a little doot doot. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. So like when I bring the liner in like right, like a little bit into like right underneath my waterline, and then now I just like go and like smudge it in a little bit. Like this is like probably the jankiest way you could possibly do this makeup, but hey, if it works, it works. You know what I'm saying? So now what I like to do is I like to just go into right underneath it with some like powdered eyeshadow, just so it like stays. The line doesn't start kind of like smearing down because it is your waterline, so it's wet. I like to go in with just a little bit of eyeshadow. So a lot of this is going back and forth. Like I'm going in with like a little bit of a thicker brush and buffing out some of the black. It's honestly like what you want it to look like. I like the bottom looking really smoked and really dark. If you don't like that, then you can totally stop right when you do the lines and that's it. You know, I feel hot like this. Alright y'all, so that's basically how I do that. Like I said, it's a lot of back and forth, but just gotta go in there and just like do the little tee and just start buffing it out. I hope you guys could see what I was doing because like I had to focus so hard. I don't know if y'all could see what I was doing. So I'm gonna go in with just the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I love this mascara. It's been with me since high school actually. Oh my god, I want to do a video of like doing my high school like makeup routine, but guys, I could not even tell you what it was. Like I do not remember what I did. I feel like I could remember some products, but oh gosh. And no lashes for me today. I haven't been putting lashes on lately. Lashes will only come around if I'm like a big occasion, event, performance. Alright, so now I basically have everything done. I want to do lips. What I like to apply first, you guys know I'm not like a big lip person. I don't like lip stuff a lot. So I'm using the Laneige Peach Lip Glowy Balm. It has like this little tint to it. It really makes my lips look like voluptuous and like, you know, nice. I put Vaseline on before I do my makeup, just so my lips like moisturize. Then what I like to do after I use this, I like to go in with this Clinique lipstick, 01 Eyelet. This is the one that I used in Nez's video. I loved it. And I just put a little bit over the gloss. Franny, you're doing it backwards. You're supposed to the lipstick first. There's no wrong way of doing makeup, y'all. Telling you. Yeah guys, so this is the makeup look. I feel like it's like a normal makeup look for me, like what I normally do. I feel like I do the same thing in every video. I wanted to show y'all kind of how I do my liner because I get a lot of questions about my liner, especially that photo I posted. Everyone was like, how do you do that? How do you do this? I was like, well, I'll show y'all. I tried my best, honestly. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling sexy. Straighten my hair. Ooh, ah, ee, ah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see me do. If this helped at all, if you liked these kind of makeup tutorials, these sit down makeup, I would love to do more makeup videos. I just don't know if y'all like them or not. Or just like more get readies with me. Like let me know if y'all like those. If not, it's fine. I won't do them. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, y'all know exactly when I do. Do not forget to subscribe. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.